Hi, I'm Art and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to use vlookup using openoffice calc, or also similar with Excel, Microsoft Excel. Okay, so here in my presentation I have this. So I have a selection here, shows bag, a selection, and upon selection, their corresponding price appears here. Okay. So let's say you have your data here. This will be your source data, and this will be your presentation. Okay. So how do we do this? So first, let's type in selection and price. Let's format this a bit. Okay, so you have your boxes here. So what we want is, in this selection, this cell, we want a list from using this list. So how do we do that? Let's copy this, then select data, validity, and select list from the drop down. Let's paste. Okay, so now we have a drop down box that shows you different items. Now what we want is, once we select an item here, the corresponding price per item should show here. So formula vlookup. Okay, so your search criterion, this cell, let's click it. So it's G15. Separate it with a semicolon. This will be your, so next will be your array. So this will be your array, the selected input. So we're just gonna highlight it, separate with a semicolon. The next will be index. So up in your array, you have the number of columns selected. So you have this first column, this will be 1, and this will be 2. And if you have a bigger selection, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this presentation, this is 2. So this index is 2. So we're gonna put here index 2. Separator, sort order, you can just put a 0 at the end and close it. Hit the enter button. So you have your price here. So take note, it's notebook at $3 to 25. So we're just gonna format this to match numbers, currency. Okay. Then okay. So now we have your selection. Bag, it's $5 automatic. The price or the data changes in the cell that matches your selection, your array. So bag, pencil, ruler, and last is your notebook. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you.